So once again, welcome to Prime Maths by A. Sir and also Sheikh Sir. So today's class is very interesting and very important also for grade 10 students. You see today's class 10 trigonometry. As you know that trigonometry we have many formulas, so many students they confuse how can we remember the formulas and all. Today this class is important to how to remember in shortcut way all those formulas. So let's start the first formula. There is a sentence. Based on this sentence, we'll attach with that formula. You see here. The sentence is: some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. Since the chapter name is trigonometry, so it will come from right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this angle is 90 degree right angle, and this side is called base. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. So three sides will be connected with the ratios. In trigonometry, we have 6 ratios. Those ratios will be connected here. So you see now here, three word will be connected, as trigonometry is calculation of three measurement, three things. So here you see some people have S will come for sine theta, then P by H. So sine will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then curly brown hair, three words. C come for cos theta equal to B by H. Next is tan permanently black, this three word, equal to tan theta equal to P by B. This is the fundamental relation in trigonometry. Sine equal to P by H, cos theta equal to B by H, tan theta equal to P by B. So this is the relation, main relation. After that we have the reciprocal. Sine opposite is cosec. So this cosec, we don't have to remember the sentence, just opposite of sine. H up, P down. Cos opposite is sec theta equal to H up, B down. Then tan opposite is cot theta equal to B by P. So this relation is called fundamental relation. Fundamental relation. So this relation you can remember from the sentence and from the trigonometry, and is from this right angle triangle. So after this is the fundamental relation come. So as you know that first fundamental relation, after this you see here there is a hexagon, 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is tan theta, here is sine theta, this is cos theta, and this is cot theta. Now you see sine opposite cosec, this is the line. If you remember this line, no need to by heart. Tan opposite cot, this is the line. If you remember tan, this line opposite of this one. Cos relation is sec, opposite of cos is sec. So here will come reciprocal relation. That one is reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation is, you see first tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Then sine theta equal to 1 by cosec. Then cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. So you see this is the first relation. If you write cot now this side, tan will go opposite. This is 1 by tan. Similarly, if you write cosec this side, it will be 1 by sine. And if you write sec this side, is 1 by cos. So this is called reciprocal relation. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here from the line. Sine opposite cosec, tan opposite cot, cos opposite sec. This is the another relation is called reciprocal. After that, you see here there is 1. So next relation will come the identity. Identity you have to think the triangle way, like this one. Look the arrow mark, like this arrow mark. First one gap, second one. Next this one gap, this one. And this one gap, this one. What I have written, you see. Don't be confused, you see this arrow mark start from here, means sine square plus cos square equal to 1 square. sine cos 1, this arrow mark. 1 square if we do that, okay, sometimes needed, sometimes no need. So from here two more formula will come. If we keep sine this side equal to 1 minus cos will go this side, cos square, this square will come identity relation. Next, if you keep cos left side, it is 1 minus sine square. So this three relation. Now look at this triangle, 1 cot cosec. So here it is 1 square, no need to write, cot square equal to cosec square. This is the next triangle. So now you see, if 1 if you keep left side, it will be cosec minus cot. Square is there. If you keep cot left side, it will be what? Cosec 1 will go this side, minus 1. So here three relation. Here three relation. Now last one, tan 1 sec. So we write like this way, tan square plus 1 square mean 1 equal to sec square. Then if we keep now tan, so you see that this arrow mark, tan 1 and sec, like a tan square plus 1 square equal to sec square. Now if we keep tan this side, it will be sec square minus 1. If we keep 1 this side, it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this three is identity, this one identity, this one is called complement relation. As I told you, this is identity. So identity is this one, identity, this one, this one. So this identity you will remember from the arrow mark of this hexagon, and hexagon is this one, hexagon. Don't be confused, hexagon is this one, is hexagon. This is the hexagon. So this relation come from opposite arrow marks. This also sine cosec, cosec, tan cot, and this relation come from this triangle. This triangle come this one, and this triangle come this one. This is from here, this is from here, and this is from here. So this is the shortcut technique to remember the trigonometrical formula. So one more class you'll get for the remembering table and all. What is the value of sine 60, sine 30, sine 45, 90? That one you'll get in another classes. For today, this much for shortcut tricks. So once again, I'll tell you, fundamental relation is that one. Which one I have? As I told you, fundamental relation. Some people have curly brown hair. First one. After that, this second one. Reciprocal relation. This from arrow mark, and then identity from the triangle, and triangle. This one here, and this one here. After that, quotient relation we have, that is like this, tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. This one from here, tan theta equal to sine by cos, quotient relation. And cot theta equal to cot, come back this side, equal to cos by sine theta. So from this hexagon, all the grade 10 trigonometrical formula you can remember. This is very shortcut way. And one more sentence, some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black. So this class this much. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll request you please like, share and subscribe my channels, and you'll get latest updated videos. So next class you'll get my table, for a trigonometrical table, those values and all. Thank you.